I have left now is this portion of the spadix that actually has the male and female flowers on it. So what I'm going to do is try cutting a few long strips here that have a little bit of the female flowers, a little bit of the male flowers, and a little bit of the sterile tissue up top, and preserving those. And then I'm going to try, similar to what I just did with the stem, is kind of skinning a portion or peeling a portion of it, and trying to get a very flat portion that's wide and has a lot of the flowers running up and down this spadix. So the plant is fairly tough, has a pretty thick texture, and it's also begun decomposing, so it's a little difficult to dissect. But here we have a nice long portion. I'll cut maybe one or two more of those. Okay, so I have 3 long strips that have a little bit of the interior tissue, as well as some of the male and female flowers and sterile portions. And I'm going to prepare one more cardboard with water paper and newspaper for this portion that I'm going to try to peel. Partway there. I have a nice wide strip, but I'd like to get some more of this interior tissue off to make it easier to preserve. The more tissue I can remove, the easier it'll be to dry this, and the easier it'll be to preserve it. Some of our samples in the herbarium are well over 100 years old, and our goal is that anything we collect will be preserved basically indefinitely. So hopefully Virginia Tech students in the year 2300 can come by and see the remains of Stinky Phil. A lot of the female flowers fell off in that process, so I'm just going to dump them to the side and discard them. But now I'm going to take my much thinner strip, kind of looks like a rotten psychedelic pineapple. I'll place that inside here, and then it's very curved. I'm actually going to break it a little bit so that it'll lay flatter. Okay. And that portion will go into the press as well.